So what is that?
What is that?
That's gonna be a flag.
A what?
A flag.
A flag? Okay.
A silly flag. That is my flag.
I like it.
Actually, that's a spider web.
A spider web? All right. Where's the spider?
Next one. This is the spider. Is this 8 legs?
You've got 5 there right now. You need 3 more.
8?
That's 7. 1 more. That's 8. Good job.
We know what my dad is.
There's the spider right there.
All right. Good job.